Alright, let's do a quick bedroom reset. Nothing major today, just one of those little tidies to get things feeling calm again. And stick around because we get a surprise inspection from the senior feline supervisor later. She's usually more of a background observer, so when she actually shows up, you know it's serious. I think the usual inspector is off on March break, so she stepped in. Little nest living. I've been spending a lot more time up here lately since it's March break, so I like to keep it feeling clean and comfortable. Even small resets like this make a huge difference. And we're not done yet. So, the last time I made the bed, I couldn't find the matching fitted sheet. So I used a flat sheet instead, which felt like a good idea at the time. But yeah, it's not been cooperating. It comes loose, it shifts around, and every single day it looks a little more chaotic. So I've had enough with it. We're fixing that sheet with an actual fitted sheet today. We're getting the pillows back on, but we're definitely not done yet. There's still vacuuming and a few finishing touches coming up. So stick around. And remember, our feline friend is coming to supervise. Let's see what she thinks of our work. Do you usually make your bed every day or just when it really starts bothering you? I'm somewhere in between. Sometimes I fuss and sometimes I don't. Okay, with the pillows in place, now let's move on to the next step. All right, now it's time to vacuum. I'd like starting on the door side of the bed and I work my way around. This isn't a deep clean or anything, it's just a quick reset to keep things feeling tidy. Honestly, vacuuming can be kind of satisfying. Even a quick pass makes the room feel cleaner and more put together. I try to do little resets like this regularly so I'm not overwhelmed on a bigger cleaning day. It doesn't take long, but it really adds up. And don't leave yet, we're not done. There are still some finishing touches coming. Sometimes I get distracted while vacuuming, just thinking about other things I've been working on. March break has me spending a lot more time up here editing videos. And it's nice to take a little reset in between. Even a quick vacuum like this makes such a difference. It's one of those small things that immediately makes the room feel lighter and calmer. And again, we're not finished yet, so hang tight. The bed will get its blanket and the room's final little touches are coming up next. And I always vacuum the cat stand too. It's amazing how much fur collects there if you don't, and it just makes the whole room feel fresher. Okay, the most satisfying part, the blanket. I like to start at the end of the bed and grab the corners and give it a little toss so it spreads across the bed and covers the pillows. Sometimes I do that a couple times until it lands just right. Then I smooth out the sides and fluff everything a bit so it actually looks cozy and pulled together. There's something just so satisfying about seeing the bed come together at the very end of a quick reset. It just makes the whole room feel calmer. If you've enjoyed this little reset, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. I love hearing from my cozy crew, and it really helps out my channel. From my nest to yours, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi. Yes, Patchy coming to see the nice clean room. Is it nice and clean now? Nice and clean? Yeah. You saying hi? Say hi to the camera. Say hi, people of YouTube. Some people like seeing kitties on YouTube. So you say hi? Hi, Patch. Patchy Scratchy. Patchy, come here. Come. Hi. Oh, you're so pretty. You are so pretty. I know, you've been dying to get in here, and I was vacuuming and having to close the door, but now we're good. We're all good. Pretty girl. So pretty.